Deer hunter accidentally shoots himself in Portland. Deer hunter accidentally shoots himself in Portland. The Portland police are probing whether a man was accidentally shot and killed by his own weapon. A deer hunter accidentally shot himself Sunday morning while hunting deer in the forests of Portland. The deceased has been identified as 52-year-old David Watkins, a businessman from St. James. The Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, of the Jamaica Constabulary Force confirmed the shooting, which it labeled a death by misadventure. The accidental shooting took place at 7 a.m. He accidentally shot himself. It was a death by misadventure. He was pronounced dead at hospital, a representative of the CCU said. Anecdotal reports suggest that Watkins was going down a hill, while holding the barrel of the gun when he slipped. The gun reportedly discharged and he was shot under the arm. Brought to you by Jamaica News.